Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. This is George. Today I'm going to bring you the brand new SPARTAN SS1200 mini skidster. This one is diesel. At only 36 inches wide, this one has a lift capacity of 1,200 pounds. This machine do come standard with 4-in-1 bucket. You got your dual hydraulic quick attach right here. You're able to run 2 motion attachment at the same time. Right here is where your hydraulic hose goes. Very nice design, easy organized. Everything is top notch on these machines. Probably one of the best Chinese mini skidster you can buy on the market. This is their brand new truck design as well. On the right bottom, you do see that's your brake. This is a brand new truck design for SPARTAN as well. This is anti-vibration, also reduce the noise, and then less tear on the grass. Do come standard with a set of counterweight. Come to the back. On your left side, this is your hydraulic flue. You get a nice gauge here, easy to read. On the other side, this is your diesel fuel. Now you do have a spring assist step right here. Come to the operation station. You do have your joystick on the left that control all the movement, and you have another joystick on the right, control all the movement of the bucket and the arm. Come to the front, you do have a little digital screen right here, show you all the temperatures, hour meters, gauge, basic stuff right there. Left corner, you have a USB port. They do still carry a old school physical keys, very pretty nice. You got your LED hydraulic function lock, and your brake, auto and manual. And on the bottom right here, you do have your battery switch. So you actually have your hydraulic controls on the handle now, but you can also use the hydraulic controls in the middle. You do have your emergency stop right here for safety feature, and the throttle. You even have your phone stand right here as well. Come to underneath the hood. This machine is powered by Kubota D1703, 25 horsepower. I do not have the torque number in my mind right now, but I will put it on the right hand screen. Big hydraulic filters. This one do use BP pump from Italian. Very nice, reliable. And you do have your easy access to your air filter, battery. And on the side, all the set panel can be taken off if you need to do any maintenance such as oil change. User friendly, and you do have your safety arm just in case you had to work on for the hydraulic side. Come out the back of the machine. This is your cooling system, where it goes. Also you can see your joystick control as well. You do see a reservoir and big massive radiator. Overall, this is a very nice machine for the price. Probably one of the best mini skidster on the market. I do have one for my personal machines. I did a bunch of lifting tests and a speed tests. If you're interested, check my page. But thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and then leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.